Early one Saturday morning, three riders, three friends, got together and fired up their Honda CRFs and pointed their wheels towards adventure. The plan? Backcountry ride from Hughes's Brook, through the wood spine of Lidstone's Road, and out Goose Arm, finishing in Cox's Cove. What they didn't plan for was the Waterfall. Welcome to Newfoundland Drone Productions. The trail out of Hughes's Brook starts easy. Fast gravel and flowering corners, and warm up of what's coming. But we push deeper, the landscape tightens up, and Lidstone's Road greets us with a mix of small washouts, deep ruts, and steep rocky climbs.
Lazy yellow moon coming up tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing and lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Across the field where the creek turns back by the old stone road, I'm gonna take you to a special place that nobody knows. Baby, get ready. Ooh.
Goose Arm is a remote country, raw and beautiful. The kind of place where cell phone service disappears and the only soundtrack is the thump of the single-cylinder engine and the wind in the trees. Moments like this is why we ride, not for the challenge, but for the chance to stumble onto something unforgettable. Thus hitting our destination, from me, myself, Elf, and Mason, we'd like to say thank you for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.